I got it. How about if we win, they have to get rid of the rooster? Ooh, that's interesting.
If you win, we give up the bird. But if we win, we get your apartment.
Ooh.
Deal!
What was Monica's nickname when she was a field hockey goalie?
Big fat goalie.
Correct. Rachel claims this is her favorite movie.
Dangerous Liaisons.
Correct. Her actual favorite movie is...
Weekend at Bernie's.
Correct. Monica categorizes her towels. How many categories are there?
Everyday use. Fancy. Guest. Fancy guest.
2 seconds.
11.
11. Unbelievable. 11 is correct. Yes! Chandler was how old when he first touched a girl's breast?
14?
No, 19.
Thanks, man.
Joey had an imaginary childhood friend. His name was...
Maurice.